Okay, so you have extra white space in a justified paragraph in Microsoft Word that you need to remove, or you might want to know what even causes this in the first place. In this video, we'll show you why this happens and 2 ways to fix it. Let's start by explaining what causes the issue by identifying the culprit. As you can see in our sample document, all the paragraphs have been justified, and the unintended consequences is we now have these large gaps which are unacceptable. The reason this is happening is because there's a line break at the end of the line that's throwing things off. If we go up and click on the Show Hide button, then look at the end of the line, you'll see this funky arrow that points to the left. This is a line break, and it's created by pressing Shift-Enter. Just to prove it, if I jump down here at the end of this third paragraph, then press Shift-Enter, because the paragraph is justified, the text gets stretched all the way across. Okay, now you understand what causes the problem. Let's look at 2 ways you can fix it. Just make sure the Show Hide button is on because it makes things easier to see. The first way to fix the gaps is to click at the end of the line, then press your Delete key. Notice the text will tidy itself up and fall right in line. This first method works best for a one-off instance or a one-time fix. But let's go one step further and say you have a document with several paragraphs with a lot of white spacing that needs to be removed. This is where the second option comes in. Go up and click on File, Options, Advanced, then scroll all the way down, which might take a moment or so, and look for Don't Expand Character Spaces on a line that ends with Shift Return. Just check the box, click OK, and just like that, problem solved. So that's how it's done. And while you're here, feel free to indulge yourself with another video.